Asante Kotoko will be looking forward to make complete almost signings for the first round. Yeah, na Ghana Premier League first round. No. Transfer window ni close no echina ne chinechi ya because na 2020 by 22nd there na ya close the transfer window. Minim some for be decided that this time I'm extending but currently as we speak Kotoko I would left back which is Patrick Asiedu. Now Kotoko right back Kote Pra out for the season tina ka Lord Amuanko but an area and a confirmation about say Kotoko assigning a new right back former player no but the Danish league second B and I say second division and was about Latvia main league which is player you confirm a deal about not too long ago Andre Daniel Ajeti right back but you say no Diaka left back corner so baba so Patrick ko let us say yenya two left backs na eno na reports na but say play on that screen so your friend Kwasi Asante or a former player of Hafia and Simba Tanzania. Now Shaban Mohammed a GFA statistician na or report to say Kumasi Asante Kotoko exclusive former 10 minutes ago no the two former Hafia FC and Simba XC defender Kwasi Asante expected to sign for Kumasi Asante Kotoko on a permanent deal before the transfer deadline day. And negotiating. So currently as we speak, as I'm reporting this, Kotoko is negotiating a move with player out the screen. So and yes, this is or that's what Simba. Season go was Simba the anke bede, but wabo Simba da and wabo half da. But I'm told to say or a free agent. Inti or a free agent in the net is a likely say Kotoko in Sabekano. Na Kotoko assign because a cover sana ne personal terms no and a crobia and in the baby say you personal terms na the akaye say obesign na yamane dan ewo kroma na wabo Kumasi Asante Kotoko ohwen ni stage na obi pia papa Kwasi Asante yeah mekai din ring quite bell in my ears and I'm hoping say Kotoko they never final signing for the first round there EPA. Now on the ocean fin we are brand more Simba about 2019 20 season or BBC no we are bumping a deal no go through successfully. I'm told to say or a surgeon papa you can be a surgeon now ultimate the ball no run papa or play more of offensive role no and the football no there's so good wingers are Tembiano, you are up there, Liverpool for no. So the modern day football, they also win a good win guess.